Hi, I'm Nora. I'm one of the lead trainers and founder at Skills. For the past 2.5 years, more than 250 plus immigrants have joined Skills Transformational program because they wanted a change. They wanted to get into high-paying job professionally and get into professional job here in Australia and across the world. Hundreds of these people have now secured amazing jobs, high-paying jobs across the world, which is incredibly impactful and delirious for us at Skills and the entire team. That is why I'm inviting you to this webinar where we share expert secret that has helped a lot of these immigrants beat the systemic barriers and to secure high-paying jobs in tech and beyond. I know you've been trying so many things to be able to secure professional jobs, and some of you have even lost hope. But I know that most immigrants are educated. You spend thousands of dollars doing your BSc, your masters, your PhD. I know because I've coached a lot of people and trained them to be able to get jobs. But all of those efforts become futile when you lack some key components that I'm going to be sharing on the webinar. And you've probably spent a ton of money on certification programs, courses, and even hearing this will be like, oh yeah, this is another course. But I can assure you, I know that feeling. I have been there before. Because of some of these things, you're feeling stuck, you're feeling helpless in jobs that drains you and steal your time and energy. And you know that money is in abundance, but time is finite. We can change this situation, and that's why I'm giving you opportunity to join our free webinar where we'll be sharing expert secrets on things that you can't find anywhere else on the internet that get you hired. These are things that we've researched, we've tested many immigrants, and these are things like how you position yourself and market your skills effectively. So if you want to join this webinar, click the link in my bio and you will be there. But yeah, I've got limited spot, and if you register before Friday, I'm gonna send you like a pitch template that would help you crush any tell me about yourself question in the interview. I'll see you on the other side.